Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Paddle, a top-tier choice for players who value precision, consistency, and confidence on the court. Selkirk's reputation for innovation shines through here, making this paddle a standout for players who want to place shots exactly where they intend, whether it's a gentle dink at the net or a deep drive to the baseline. Crafted with a fluorite carbon fiber surface and a 20mm thick honeycomb core, this paddle delivers outstanding control and stability without sacrificing the ability to produce power. The balanced mid-weight construction helps minimize arm fatigue, while the thoughtful design enhances touch, responsiveness, and comfort during long matches. The extended 16.45-inch frame and 5.35-inch elongated handle offer increased reach and provide enough handle length for seamless two-handed backhands. One of the most noticeable performance benefits is how effortlessly the paddle moves through the air. Unlike bulkier or cheaper paddles that create noticeable drag, the LUXX Control Air Invikta feels naturally aerodynamic, allowing for quicker reaction time and fluid shot transitions. Finished in a sleek, modern style, this paddle looks as good as it plays. While it may not deliver the same pop as some power-first paddles, its precision and control-focused performance make it an excellent all-around choice, especially at the current reduced price. A truly reliable paddle for improving placement, consistency, and confidence in every swing. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Experience the perfect introduction to pickleball with the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, designed for new and developing players who want high quality without the high price tag. This paddle delivers exceptional value, combining thoughtful construction with player-friendly performance at an affordable cost. Built with a responsive honeycomb polymer core, the Radical Elite provides impressive touch and control, helping players learn to place shots with confidence. Its fiberglass hitting surface adds a bit of pop while maintaining a smooth, forgiving feel, making it easier to handle everything from soft dinks to controlled volleys. The paddle's generous face width offers a larger sweet spot, helping reduce mishits and build consistency as your skills grow. The ergonomic foam handle is modeled to feel familiar for those coming from tennis or other racket sports. It provides a secure, comfortable grip that supports longer play sessions without hand fatigue. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this paddle is ideal for developing solid technique and understanding the nuances of ball placement. While the Radical Elite may not deliver the explosive power of higher-end performance paddles, it plays well above its price point. At around $70, it performs closer to what you'd expect from paddles in the $100 range, making it a standout value. It's also a fantastic gift option for new players or a reliable backup paddle for experienced competitors. Affordable, dependable, and fun to play with, the Head Radical Elite is your perfect entry paddle to the exciting world of pickleball. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. For players who demand top-tier performance, the Selkirk Power Air Epic stands in a league of its own. Built for advanced and competitive pickleball athletes, this paddle delivers explosive power, lightning-fast swing speeds, and cutting-edge design for unmatched play on the court. If you're ready to invest in your game, this paddle ensures every dollar feels justified. The Power Air Epic features an elongated handle and expanded surface shape, giving you more reach and a comfortable platform for two-handed backhands. Selkirk's signature aerodynamic throat reduces drag and enhances aerodynamics, producing faster swings and added whip behind serves and drives. Designed with serious power players in mind, this paddle creates force without sacrificing accuracy, allowing you to strike confidently from anywhere on the court. What truly sets the Power Air Epic apart is its refined feel. Lightweight yet solid, responsive yet controlled, this paddle has the presence of a finely tuned performance machine. The luxury cushioned grip provides stability and comfort, while the seamless face design helps reduce mishits and promotes cleaner ball contact even along the edges. From its standout sleek aesthetic to its professional tour pedigree, the Power Air Epic signals that you're playing with the highest level of pickleball technology available. Ideal for players who want premium power and finesse in one paddle, this is an investment that elevates every game you play. Perfect for serious competitors who refuse to settle for anything less than elite. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. Step onto the court with confidence using the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle, one of the most popular and trusted paddles in both amateur and professional play. Seen frequently in competitive events, the Graphite Z5 showcases the performance and reliability that players at every level appreciate, all while maintaining an accessible price point just under $100. Built with a graphite face, the Z5 offers a lightweight yet strong construction, giving you excellent ball control and touch. Graphite is prized for its responsiveness, allowing players to accurately play shots and develop finesse in their gameplay. Paired with the Nomex honeycomb core, this paddle minimizes dead spots and enhances consistency, helping you return shots cleanly and confidently from any position on the court. The Z5 features a broad hitting surface that makes it easier to find the sweet spot, while the paddle's contour shape gives you subtle additional reach and room for controlled swings. Its balanced feel ensures comfort for extended play, and players will appreciate the paddle's ability to add spin and speed, particularly on serves. From first-timers to experienced competitors, the Graphite Z5 performs reliably match after match. It stands out as a beginner-friendly paddle you won't quickly outgrow, offering a blend of touch, stability, and performance typically found in much higher-priced models. Whether you're dialing in your drop shots or driving for a point, the Onix Graphite Z5 offers the control and confidence to elevate your pickleball game. Number 5. JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus 3S. Developed in collaboration with Ben Johns, the most dominant player on the PPA Tour with over 123 career title wins, the JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus pickleball paddle is designed for players who want to play at the highest level. This paddle is engineered to deliver exceptional stability, precision, and power, bringing professional-level performance directly to your game. The charged carbon surface is bond-treated to increase strength and create a crisp, responsive feel on every contact. The result is enhanced energy return and a noticeably poppier ball response, giving you more control and confidence in fast-paced volleys, counters, and pressure moments. At the heart of the paddle is JOOLA's propulsion core technology, a patent-pending innovation that allows for explosive power across all shot types. From drives to dinks and everything in between, this paddle reacts with efficiency and consistency. The elongated face design expands the hitting surface and sweet spot, reducing mishits while increasing spin potential and placement accuracy. But this paddle doesn't stop at physical performance. It comes NFC chip-enabled, allowing you to connect to the JOOLA Connect app, where you can access play analytics, personalized training videos, and community challenges to elevate your skill progression. Lightweight, powerful, smart, and built to compete, the Ben Johns Perseus paddle is a true game-changer for players committed to advancing their performance and unlocking their competitive edge.